Alrighty, guys. 2014. Oh, this is a beauty, man. 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guess what I'm doing? That's right, guys. We about to help bring this Jeep Grand Cherokee with a Hemi. It's not a Pentastar. We're about to bring it back to its peak performance. At least we're about to attempt. We're about to try to bring it back to its peak performance. Damn, I think 120,000 miles, I think. Here's what we're about to do. Tune up, guys. It's a Hemi. That means it takes 8 on each side spark plugs, okay? Yeah, guys, we're gonna replace all the spark plugs. This is essentially a Hemi tune-up, okay? I did a water pump a while back, guys. All the parts I'm using is the parts she got me, okay? That wasn't a Mopar water pump on it, but like I say, I put on what I'm giving. I told her 100,000 miles of tune-up is due. So she had never had plugs replaced. It's time. Okay, I'm gonna replace all the plugs. Guess what we're using? Mopar, baby. Now, you know the crazy thing about Mopar, all right? What's on the name of these spark plugs? Yeah, y'all see that? But it has Mopar on the box. That's all I care about. As long as it got Mopar on the box. All right, so, yeah, she got me some damn Valvoline. Okay, we're going to clean throttle body and injection service. All right, we're going to get all that nasty stuff out of there. When carbon buildup happened on the blade, guys, you could essentially stall coming to a stop. When that blade closes, if there's restriction blocking off airflow, your car gonna die. All right, and let's not forget this. All right, yes, the incoming air that goes into the engine has to be clean. If your air filter is dirty, how the hell you gonna get clean air in? Yeah, so we got to get this replaced, guys. So we're gonna replace that. All right, so like I say, guys, let's get this thing tuned up. And you know the last thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna verify that this computer, this right here, PCM, I'm gonna verify that it has all the major updates that it's supposed to, that will help with drivability improvement. Okay, this PCM also controls the TCM, so I'm gonna also make sure all the updates are available on this PCM that will affect drivability as well as transmission shifting. All right, and after that, this engine I will have helped, don't forget the PCV valve, I will have helped restore peak performance of this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 5.7 Hemi, baby. Yeah, I love these. All right, gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. Also, look, y'all see this spark plug? Yeah, I know we all live in a fast-paced environment, okay, but guys, when you take these plugs out the box, please take a look at them. Okay, now they say these plugs are pre-gap. However, if you're not gonna gap them, at least take a look at them. Fresh out of the box, they can be squeezed together. They can be damaged. All right. Yeah. So yeah, I know. I ain't got time for that. Yeah, but at least look at them. That looks good. You can tell if one is off. All right.